One person invests $50,000 total. Another invests $150,000 three times as much. But the person who invested less ends up with $578,000 more. How is that possible? Three words: compound interest. And once you understand it, you'll never look at money the same way again. Compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world. The saying goes, he who understands it earns it, he who doesn't pays it. Today we'll cover exactly how it works, the rule of 72 shortcut, why starting early is worth more than investing more, and how compound interest can work against you if you're not careful. With simple interest, you earn a fixed amount every year based only on your original deposit. Put in $10,000 at 10%, you earn exactly $1,000 every year. Year after year, always the same $1,000. After 40 years, just $50,000 total. That's it. The money never accelerates. Now watch what compound interest does with the exact same numbers. Same $10,000, same 10%, same 40 years. But instead of earning interest on just the original amount, you earn interest on your interest. Year 1 you earn $1,000. Year 2 you earn $1,100 because you're now earning 10% on $11,000. By year 40, your money has grown to $452,593. That's 9 times more than simple interest. Look at how the earnings accelerate. Year 1 you earned $1,000. Year 10, $2,358. Year 20, $6,116. Year 30, $15,863. And year 40, you earned $41,145 in a single year. Same 10% rate, but 41 times more dollars. That's because your money is earning money, which earns money, which earns money. It's a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small but becomes unstoppable. Let me show you the math step by step. You start with $10,000. Year 1 you earn 10%, that's $1,000. Now you have $11,000. Year 2 you earn 10% of $11,000, not $10,000, that's $1,100. Year 3 you earn 10% of $12,100, that's $1,210. See how each year the earning amount gets bigger. By year 10 you have $25,937. By year 40, $452,593. The secret is simple: each year earns on the total, not just the original. Here's a mental shortcut every investor should know: the rule of 72. Divide 72 by your interest rate and you get the number of years it takes to double your money. At 10% in the stock market, your money doubles every 7.2 years. At 7%, about 10 years. In a savings account at 4%, it takes 18 years to double. That's why investing beats saving. Watch the doubling chain in action. Start with $10K after 7 years, $20K after 14 years, $40K 21 years, $80K 28 years, $160K 35 years, $320K 42 years, $640K 6 doublings turn $10,000 into $640,000. And notice, the last doubling added $320,000. Each doubling is bigger than the last. That's why the final years of compounding are where the real wealth is built. Now here's the part that should scare you into action. The single biggest mistake in investing isn't picking the wrong stock, it's waiting to start. Let me show you the devastating cost of a 10-year delay. Person A invests $5,000 per year from age 25 to 35, just 10 years, then completely stops. Never adds another penny. Total invested $50,000. Person B waits until 35 and invests $5,000 per year for 30 straight years until 65. Total invested $150,000. At age 65, person A has $1.4 million. Person B has only $822,000. Person A invested $100,000 less, but ended up with $578,000 more. That 10-year head start is worth more than 30 years of contributions. Don't think you need thousands to start. Just $100 per month at 10%, that's the S&P 500 average. Start at 25, you'll have $632,000 by 65. Start at 30, $380,000. Wait until 35, $227,000. Wait until 40, only $133,000. 15 years of delay cost you nearly $500,000. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Compound interest has a dark side. It works against you when you're in debt. A $5,000 credit card balance at 24%. Minimum payments mean you'll pay $13,275 over 22 years. A $400,000 mortgage at 7%. You'll pay $958,000 total. That's $558,000 in interest alone. Even student loans at 6.5% add $10,000 to a $30K balance. The rule is simple: make compound interest work for you, not against you. The golden rule of compound interest: make sure you're earning it, not paying it. Pay off high-interest debt first, especially credit cards. Then invest aggressively in index funds and let compounding do the heavy lifting. Every dollar earning 10% in the market is a soldier working for you 24/7, building your wealth while you sleep. Let's see real numbers. $10,000 invested in the S&P 500 in 1994 is worth about $210,000 today 30 years later. That same $10,000 in a savings account at 3%, only $24,273. A difference of nearly $186,000. And the S&P 500 return includes the dot-com crash, the 2008 financial crisis, and COVID. Compounding powered through all of them. 5 steps to harness compound interest. 1. Start today even with $100 a month. 2. Reinvest all dividends, that's free compounding. 3. Never interrupt the compounding. Every time you sell and restart, you reset the clock. 4. Use tax-advantaged accounts like a Roth IRA or 401k so your money compounds without tax drag. And 5. Pay off high-interest debt first so compounding works for you. Let's recap. Compound interest means earning interest on your interest. It's a snowball that never stops growing. The rule of 72 tells you money doubles every 7 years in the market. Starting early beats investing more. Person A proved that. Just $100 a month from age 25 becomes $632,000 by 65. And always be on the earning side, not the paying side of compound interest. If this video opened your eyes to the power of compound interest, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Your future self will thank you. New videos every week. See you in the next one.